Team 29 forecast.
This is the calm before our next winter storm. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. No weather issues tonight. There's a look outside live from downtown Charlottesville, looking towards Water Street. Great visibility. The clouds are going to thicken on up, and temperatures are going to stay below freezing with a northeast breeze, locking in that colder air. In that first forecast, temperatures dropping through the 20s, even some teens by daybreak. We're dry to start. Lots of clouds overhead, and then those clouds will start to produce some snow as early as 11 a.m. to midday for sure across the I-64 corridor. It is snowing heavy at times, and then it will change over to sleet and freezing rain by tomorrow evening, with temperatures getting closer to freezing. Right now we're below freezing on both sides of the Blue Ridge. We're going to stay that way until perhaps Monday. Dry scans on NBC 29's live Doppler radar, and all the focus goes back to the southwest. This is the storm system we've been advertising since about Tuesday. It is now getting its act better together, taking shape, producing snow heavy at times into areas of Arkansas. This system is going to head up I-95, and since it's moving inland, it's going to give us a mix of snow for a few hours, going over to sleet and freezing rain, that glaze of ice. Expansive winter weather alerts all the way from eastern Oklahoma to New England into Maine. For our area, as expected, our winter storm watch has been upgraded to a winter storm warning from 10 a.m. tomorrow through 7 a.m. on Monday for snow and ice. Let's track it now hour by hour. 8 in the morning, snow breaking out across South Side into Roanoke and New River Valley. I-64 corridor midday. It's snowing area wide in the afternoon into the early evening hours, heavy at times. And then look at this. The snow changes over to sleet and freezing rain. That's the pink zone. And then a dry slot will arrive by around midnight, cutting the precipitation off. Even the valley will go over to some sleet and freezing rain. And then the precipitation may end as a snow shower pre-dawn Monday. And then by sunrise, the precipitation is gone. Snowfall. Well, as I've been advertising, if we get extra sleet and ice, that would cut the snow accumulations down. So we're going to go on the lower end of the snow totals, perhaps 3 to 6 across the Route 29 corridor, 2 to 4 over Route 15, and 5 to 8 over the I-81 corridor. But on top of that, there's going to be a glaze of ice, freezing rain and sleet, 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch of ice. What does that mean? Well, a 1/4 inch of ice could bring down trees and power lines, along with gusty winds 20, 30, even 50 miles per hour. Here's the bottom line. Snow heavy at times tomorrow afternoon, 1 to 3 inches per hour for a couple hours, changing to sleet and ice tomorrow evening overnight. And the sleet and the dry slot will keep the snow totals down, but the hazards are still the same. Power outages and treacherous travel. Make sure you download the Storm Team 29 weather app, where your weather is always on. Tonight, lows, teens and 20s. Tomorrow, barely freezing. Heavy snow to sleet and ice tomorrow evening. Treacherous travel, gusty winds. And it looks like the precipitation will wrap up by Monday morning, going above freezing Monday afternoon with some melting and gusty winds, and then a refreeze on Tuesday and Wednesday mornings with lows, teens and 20s. So there will be school delays and closings through the middle parts of next week.
So we're going to probably have closings too, I'm sure,
definitely
coming in already, because it's going to be pretty bad. Well, we are already receiving church